Come here.
How did you feel?
Sit.
Terrified.
Sit.
Because I've never seen a
Back.
woman before.
Back. Sit.
Bang!
Sit.
In 1961, Norma married
Sit.
actor Larry Storch of F2.
What do you think of the Eagles? What do you think of the Eagles? Yeah, good boy. What do you think of the Bucks? Yeah, all right, good boy, good. What do we do when the Bucks? What do we do when the Bucks score a touchdown? Huh? What do we do? We go touchdown. All right, good boy, good boy. What else can you do? What else can you do? Can you spin? Can you spin? Good boy. Hey, hey, hey. Go get me a beer. Go get me a beer.
Your mother, and she used to cooperate with us to babysit.
Despite the separation, Cross maintained an emotional connection to her mother. In fact, as
Give it
she's
to me.
traveling the country
Did you
telling
close
the
it?
story, she always wears a piece of her mother's clothing or jewelry.
She has great taste in clothes. Yes, she did.
Good boy. You're doing good tricks. Hey, hey. Take a bow. All right, that's pretty good. Done? Are you done? Sit. Say bye-bye to the camera. Go bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Good boy, good boy. Come here. Now that's a smart dog.